Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com and those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, 4 days ahead of a scheduled meeting with the Finance Minister, the Jamaica Civil Service Association, JCSA, is warning that it will not accept anything less than the inflation rate as wage increase for its members.
Speaking with TVJ News after the culmination of a youth summer camp in Manchester, JCSA President Tisha Clark-Griffiths says her members are restive at this time.
Krista Campbell has our story.
We will stand up for what we believe is just and livable wages, and 0% and 2.5% over a 4-year period is not it.
President of the Jamaica Civil Service Association, JCSA, Tisha Clark-Griffiths, in Manchester on Friday, taking on the government over its 0 and 2.5% wage increase over a 4-year period for public servants. Like public sector teachers this week, she says civil servants will not stand for such low salary increases, which she deemed in essence a wage freeze. She says her 30,000 members are restive and stand in solidarity with the 25,000 strong teachers and other public servants who are still in talks over the wage negotiations.
The economy is doing well. The crime is going down. Teachers are doing well in the classroom, and so we have to at least provide that platform for public servants to be paid properly. That is why we're having mass migration.
But the Prime Minister has cautioned that a significant wage increase for public sector workers might throw the economy into a tailspin. The JCSA president countered that, pointing to a fiscal policy paper tabled in Parliament which outlined the 4-year salary payments.
Certainly in year 1, 9% is provided, in year 2, 6.5%, and subsequently up to 2027, 28. So there are space in the budget to facilitate increase in salaries for public servants. Of course, we know that there are other social services that are competing, but at the same time, we are the ones who always bring the sacrifice. We are the ones who always give the most, and we are asking the government to reconsider the position of 0%.
Another issue of contention are the anomalies which she says make the salary restructuring process unfair.
We still have persons who have been paid and appointed who now have to be paying back for overpayments. As a matter of fact, I have some cases right there in the Ministry of Finance with over 20 persons, some paying back as much as over $2 million. And it is not that is the persons who are paying back this money is no fault of theirs why the implementation of the compensation was an error on their part. And so they have to bear the brunt of paying back those monies on a reduced salary, and they are in financial distress.
And so she says while she understands the need for fiscal space to allow the government to increase spending or cut taxes without compromising its financial stability or the economy's long-term health, the JCSA is resolute.
Nothing less than the inflation rate will be accepted for public servants because we are already sacrificing ourselves and we are not prepared to sacrifice anymore.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.